Western programs. Today, we explore the controversial topic, Ayurvedic medicine is better than Western medicine.
That's right. This is a fascinating topic as it touches upon different approaches to health and wellness that have been practiced for centuries.
Ayurvedic medicine, with its root in ancient India, offers a holistic approach to the spiritual beliefs and teachings of nature. Western medicine is known for its technological advancement and evidence-based practices.
So, the battleground opens for the two teams to emphasize their perspectives by highlighting the strengths and benefits of both Ayurvedic and Western medicines.
We encourage everyone to listen with an open mind and consider the points made by both teams. Our goal is to deepen understanding and appreciation.
Without further ado, let's introduce our teams. Representing the proposition, we have Kavishwara, Sanuka Dilmit, Tarin Hidayat, and Gimani Gayathma.
Representing opposition, we have Master Bodhana Sandaru, Master Abhishek Konara, Miss Dahania Yasasmi, Miss Senoli Metusha, and Master Mahima Pahan.
We are thrilled to welcome you to today's debate competition. So now it's time for the two teams to start their debate.
I know even one of you imagined this when I say Ayurvedic medicine. What? You think this is the 90s? Come on, grow up. Ayurvedic medical centers look like this. Even so, look how relaxing these two looks. You have all went to Western medical centers and you know how disgusting they look. Dear Impartial Board of Judges, dear parents, dear team members and dear opposing team members. Me and my team members are not here to say that Ayurvedic medicine is better than Western medicine. We are here to prove it. Ayurvedic medicine roots all the way back into ancient India and works up its way to China, Japan, Korea, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, all the eastern countries, then works up its way to all the western countries because how powerful this eastern medicine is. Ayurvedic medicine is mainly divided into four: acupuncture or needling through your skin at strategical points, herbal remediation or using of natural botanical products to cure diseases, herbal remediation or use of natural botanical products to cure, chiropractic or cracking your knuckles to give you mental and physical happiness, and homeopathy, use of oil to solve your problems. Unlike Western medicine, Eastern medicine stop the problem before it arrives and it treats the whole body. One of the key advantages of Ayurvedic medicine is that Ayurvedic medicine only uses natural products. Because of this, getting cured by Ayurvedic medicine is the same thing as getting cured by the nature. These treatments not only minimize or cure the disease, but also give us humans a reason to protect the nature. This can lead to a more sustainable and long-lasting solution for our health and the nature. Moreover, we can say the slogan of Ayurvedic medicine is to stop the problem before it arrives. Ayurvedic medicine uses holistic approach to make us healthy. For example, Ayurvedic medicine teaches us to be healthy using meditation, diets, yoga and etc. In a world where side effects increase day by day because of Ayurvedic Western medicine, we need to be careful who are we signing our lives away to. I think it's best if we sign our lives away to Eastern medicine and reduce the deaths because of medicine. Before I go, I know even one of the opposing team members are going to say that Ayurvedic medicine is painful. What's the point of having medicine if it's painless and useless at the same time? I think it would be best if we use Ayurvedic medicine and take a little pain and make it from never coming again. In a nutshell, what I'm trying to say is that if you take Ayurvedic medicine, you will never regret your life decision.
Western medicine is one of the best medication systems in the world due to its fast reliability and effectiveness. But before that, I would like to welcome you all, dear Board of Judges, my dear brothers and sisters, good afternoon to you all. Western medicine is by far considered the best medication system in the world due to its fast reliability and effectiveness. It not only uses its counterparts, the Ayurvedic medicine's features, but it's also new and improved, which makes it far more versatile and far more advantage than its counterpart, the Ayurvedic medicine. Due to this, Western medicine is actually more formidable than Ayurvedic medicine. Now, people think that Western medicine has a lot of side effects and all. But think, for an example, it takes ages, maybe years, days or months to cure a certain disease through Ayurvedic medicine. Now, I would like to ask one question from you. Have any of you been to hospital with the disease? Now, did you came back with another disease or have you gone cured? Now, obviously you got cured, right? Now, people usually think that Western medicine is absolutely worse and it's actually not usable for people. So this makes people very underestimate the value of Western medicine. Now, for an example, recently we had a tragic incident called COVID-19. Now, people in our country thought we could solve this problem by using a potion named as Dhammika. But I would like to ask you all, did it work wonders? Absolutely not. Now, scientists from other countries such as England, USA and India decided to use antibiotics to improve our immune system and try to fend off against that virus. Did it work? Of course it does. So, even if it is the origin country of Ayurvedic medicine, it actually did not work. So, I would like to say that Western medicine is by far the best medication system in the world. Now, apart from that, the people who use Western medicine are well-trained professionals, unlike people who are using Ayurvedic medicine to cure diseases. Now, who knows what they do to your body? Now, for an example, acupuncture. In acupuncture, people use needles, which is very painful for your body. Now, at the end of the day, you will look like a porcupine with a lot of sticks and hanging around in your body, which makes very painful, and who knows whether it works or not. And it is supposed to make your mind relax, but I don't think it will make you more painful in your life. So, by considering these points, I would like to mention Western medicine is so underrated, but it is by far the best medication system that people must use, because people change challenges day by day, and our medication system must also be up to date, making Western medicine the best medication system in the world. In a nutshell, I would like to say that Western medicine is the best medication system, and that's the way to go. Thank you.
Ayurvedic medicine system was here before the Western medicine system came to Sri Lanka. Since in past our people know how to cure diseases just like today because of the Ayurvedic medicine system. And why I am saying that? Because it is mentioned in our historical sources that our people have performed successfully for that, and so I want to tell that if they are able to do that even when it is technology was not developed, so I think it's become clear to understand that Ayurvedic medicine system is better than Western medicine system. And also, if we use when we take medicine, if we use chemical medicine, we have the possibility of side effects. Example, gastritis, headache, and etc. And when we use natural medicine, that means Ayurvedic medicine, it doesn't, because it's only use natural things to treat. And also when we treat by Western medicine, we have to be a big cost than when we use Ayurveda medicine system, and because you think if you have a bone fracture if you treated with Western medicine, you have to take things like X-ray to find broken instance, and but if you treated with Ayurvedic medical system, it isn't because Ayurvedic doctors know how to find how to find broken instance and how to apply remedies properly. And what do you think? Is Western medicine is better than Ayurvedic medicine? Then my opinion is Ayurvedic medicine system is better than Western medicine system.
Do you know the side effects and disadvantages of the Ayurvedic medicine? I think you don't. Ayurvedic medicine has many disadvantages and side effects. First one is Ayurvedic medicine is used very old treatments to treat the patients, and also they are using only pulse rate and heart beating to detect the issue of the body. That can be very dangerous for the patient because the various diseases have the same physical appearance. So in that case, patient could be die or could be disabled. In Western medicine, there are so many advanced technological items to detect the issues, and also they are using correct method to treat the patients. And furthermore, Ayurvedic medicine has a limited number of scientific researchers. Scientific research is very important to the development of the any fields. In medical field, scientific researchers are needed to the advancement of the medical treatments and find the new diseases. Moreover, some Ayurvedic products have some metals. So you can think what's the matter with metals. Metals are very harmful for the human body, and some metals such as mercury and lead can distract our internal organs of the body. I heard some of our proposing team members said that Ayurvedic medicine is used natural herbals. Natural herbals have some metallic ingredients I told previous, and also Ayurvedic medicine hasn't been proven to the children and those who are pregnant and breastfeed. So that fact makes sense. That is, Ayurvedic medicine have some bad side effects and disadvantages. In conclusion, Ayurvedic medicine is very using Ayurvedic medicine is very dangerous, and also using Western medicine is very very safe. And if I were you, I always choosing Western medicine.
I think all of you have gone to meet the Western specialist, and definitely you have to wait there for a long period of time without the discussion with the doctor. So, my experience, all of you know that you had a very little time period to discuss. So, the little time period of the doctor to discuss with the patient is the doctor to have misunderstanding about the patient's health. So, this will result in the specialist giving wrong medicine and wrong treatments to the patient. Whereas in Ayurvedic medicine, the doctors have a continuous check-up about the patient, so they know more than the Western doctor about the patient's body. So always the medicine given by the Ayurvedic doctors is better than Western doctors. So what is done by the Western doctors can also be done by AI. You know, these days even in Europe they use AI to understand what's the medicine and what's the illness, and they just suggest the treatment or the medicine needed to be done to the patient. So I don't see any difference between the AI and the Western doctor. When we take Ayurveda doctors, they just look deeper than the symptoms. Treating the symptoms will lead in the symptoms appearing again. Whereas in Ayurveda medicine, they treat the root causes, so they just it results in disappearing the root cause, so illness won't appear again. So In conclusion, I always consider Ayurvedic medicine is better than Western medicine. And also, I need to say that if you need to, and who goes to Ayurveda, who goes to Western doctor when you crack a bone or something?
Western medicine uses the latest technique like X-rays, blood tests, ECGs to identify the health issues. Western medicine is ideal for emergencies. It works during a wide range of viral and bacterial infection. All Western medicines are well researched before prescribing to the patient. It is freely available in all medical stores. For many diagnosable conditions such as trauma, surgical condition, and other problems, Western medicines have more effective treatments than Ayurvedic medicines. Not only that, Western medicines use advanced equipment too. Imaging technique and surgical procedure contribute to accurate diagnosis and successful treatment outcomes. In Western medicines, there are regulation and guidelines to medical practice promoting and quality assurance for patient safety. I heard the proposal team members talk about so many side effects in Western medicine. For example, I will tell you, you are facing for a sudden injury. Would you like to stay in pain? No, right? Rather than facing a painful moment, it's better to find a quick solution. For it, best example is painkillers used in Western medicine. Ayurvedic medicine also have painkillers, but it took more time to heal. If we follow the correct measurements that the doctors gave, according to the doctors, there are no problem in using Western medicines. Western medicine has widely accepted and recognized for its global advancement in healthcare. These are some pictures of emergency cares in Western medicine, and these are the best examples to show that how Western medicine is really important for human beings. So at last, I would like to ask, have you ever used Western medicines at least one time? At least one time?
Let me just rate our position about safety and efficacy. About 65% of population in India is reported to use Ayurveda and medicinal plants to meet their primary health care needs, and the safety of this vibrant tradition is attributed to the time, first use, textual reference. Besides, synergy of ingredients in conjunction with individualized product-based treatment plan forms the basic of efficacy and safety of Ayurvedic formulations. Specific guidelines are prescribed for the use of apparently toxic medicinal plants with certain detoxification processing that also enhance inviolability and efficacy of the final product. And look at these pictures and think. We can see some tourism taking Ayurveda medicine, and so then we can see that tourism taking diseases like anxiety, asthma, arthritis, digestive problems, eczema, high blood pressure, high cholesterol levels, rheumatoid arthritis, and stress, and etc. So, if Western medicine have high condition and high quality, then why did tourism travel for other countries and take in Ayurveda medicine? In my opinion and my team members' opinion, that is Ayurveda medicine has high quality and good things to our body, and also one member of opposing team thought that Ayurveda medicine is very dangerous. Then why tourism travel for other countries and taking Ayurveda medicine?
According to World Health Organization, Western medicine is the dominant form of healthcare in most developed countries. More than 80% of population in these countries are relying on Western medicine. Without Western medicine, diseases would still be considered fatal. Many medical conditions that were once considered incurable are now treatable due to modern medicine. The lifespan of human has grown due to modern medicine. In 18th century, the lifespan of human was around 60 years, and now in 21st century, it's around 79 to 83 years. As you can see in here, in many regions of the world, the life expectancy has grown from year to year, and this all because
be helpful in emergency cases such as fire accidents and natural disasters, but Western medicine is effective at quick. Injured patients can go to an emergency room and find the cause of their medical problem along with the solution in few hours, thanks to the use of laboratories, X-rays and other methods. Over the past 60 years, Western medicine has made a significant gain in healthcare, including a 60% reduction of healthcare death rate from heart disease and 75% reduction of death rate from HIV and AIDS, 16% reduction of death rate from cancer. And I heard one of the members of the team saying that Western medicine contains chemical and cosmetic harmful. In that case, everything contains chemicals like we eat, even in fact the mere means chemicals too. Even in herbal medicine, there are some medication that contains dozens of chemicals, and it's not that much toxic as you think. At last, but I would like to say that Western medicine is the best form of medicine which is available to us today.
This was the death because of surgeries. So, the surgeries done by Western doctors can be very harmful. They will lead the patient to not be able to do the day-to-day activities, and also the injuries caused by those surgeries can take so much time to heal. Whereas Ayurvedic medicine, they don't have such negative side effects. And also I had one person mentioned that from the things done by the Ayurvedic medicine, the patient can be disabled. Have you heard about the patients who got disabled by the Western doctors who did surgeries? And also the Western doctors use X-rays and endoscopes to look inside the body. This can be dangerous to the patient. Also, I'd like to say about the MRIs and sound rays being used by the Western doctors. These will be very harmful for the patient, and this will also cause the patient's body tissues damage. And also, this picture shows how the radiations can damage the patient's body. And also, one from the opposing team stated that we can't take treatments from Ayurvedic doctors in a sudden injury. When you continuously go to Ayurvedic doctor, you won't get such sudden injuries because they stop the illness from occurring before it occurs. So the patient won't need to stay till the last time to go to do such surgeries. So and also one from the positive stated about early ages, the people had a short lifespan. How do you say? Because the people had more than 120 lifespan those days. And you can see these days the people's lifespan is decreasing. So also the chemicals being used in the Ayurvedic medicine are natural. You told that they also include chemicals, but they are natural, so it won't harm the patient's body. So in a nutshell, what I'm going to say is Ayurvedic medicine is always better than Western medicine.
Either you use Ayurvedic Western medical treatments will live another day. The option is yours. Western medicine is a system that has evidence-based scientific research and technological innovations. It uses the latest techniques like ECGs, blood tests, and X-rays and etc. And does your Ayurveda have such technology? No, you don't have that. And the most worst thing about Ayurvedic medicine is they are lack of the herbals and plants need to do the treatments. And if you are in an illness, does your father goes to Himalayas and bring the old herbals and plants need to do treatments? No, you can't do this. Those things were in your dreams. You can't do. And one of the opposing team member mentions that Ayurvedic medicines come for the Ayurvedic medicine. We are not talking about the time period that those medical treatments come. We are talking about the good things about this Western medicine, and since more than 75% people in the world using Western medicine, and one of our proposing team mentions that tourism goes to other countries and get the Ayurvedic medicine, because they are fellows. I want to ask you one question. When you are born, does your mother goes to a Ayurvedic medicine hospital or Western medicine hospital? No. No one born in a Ayurvedic medicine hospital. Definitely, you are born in a Western medicine hospital. Thank you.
One of the opposing team members said that Ayurvedic medicine is hard to find because they are in Himalaya. In Sri Lanka, there is no mountain called Himalaya, so people find things from here and there. And one of the opposing team members said that World Healthcare has said that Ayurvedic Western medicine is better than Ayurvedic medicine. It's because World Healthcare is also a part of Western medicine. One of the opposing team member had said that we have even used one time that Western medicine. Yeah, I have used one time and 2 times of Ayurvedic medicine. And one of the opposing team members said that Ayurvedic medicine is used as painkillers and it doesn't work. So getting kidney damage is better than getting kidney damage is not better than not working. One of the opposing team members said that acupuncture is painful. People who took it said that it's not painful, and he said that it is painful. So who took the medicine? You or that people? One of the opposing team members said that Western medicine work with advanced things. It's not about the things that works. It's what makes them work. For example, you take X-rays in Western medicine and Ayurvedic medicine both. And one of the opposing team members said that Dhammika Paniya or something that doesn't work. It's because no one took it and because that Western medicine says that it works, but actually it doesn't work, and there are many side effects nowadays. One of the opposing team members said that Ayurvedic medicine worked before Western medicine. Ayurvedic medicine worked before. No, Ayurvedic medicine came before Western medicine, but it didn't work. But actually, those days people were really healthy and no one said anything. One of the opposing members said that no one was born in Western medicine hospitals, but many people was born in Western medicine hospitals, Eastern medicine hospitals, when there was no hospitals in Western medicine.
I have a brother who went to visit a Ayurvedic medical center, but for a knee injury, the doctor said that we have to amputate his arm. How is that even possible? Now, I would not trust Eastern medicine at all due to its lack of instruments such as X-rays and artificial intelligence to help it, which makes it only the tip of the iceberg. Now, one of the opposing team members said that Ayurvedic medicine can also be used in herbs that are found in your house. Now, do you think medicine in your house could work at all? No, because I saw that same house that my member is, I saw why do animals pee on that too? So do you take that as medicine? Of course you do, because that's how foolish you people are. Now, which makes no sense at all. Now, nowadays people try to use technology because technology is the main compulsory thing that people try to depend on. This is the technological era, and we use medicine, and medicine must also be up to date, which is very formidable, and people always face new challenges, and our medicinal system must also be up to date. But in Ayurvedic medicine, it heavily relies on elements such as old techniques and what's not. And who knows whether these works or not. And one of the proposing team members said that acupuncture is not at all painful. How can you say that? Can you prove it? Of course not, you can't. You must actually take it to prove that it's very painful. But it is actually painful. Because just imagine sticking sticks on your body. Wasn't that painful at all? Maybe you don't even have pain sisters in your body to identify pain. And I heard one of them say that no one is born in Ayurvedic Western hospitals. Now, most of the people, probably 98% of people, are born in Western hospitals due to its far more greater service and what's not. And now, I would like to inform that the person who was born in that hospital must be an idiot to be born in Ayurvedic hospital. Now, the fact that people use it became much more clear because it's far more popular and it's widespread around the world, making it far more formidable and more comparable than its counterpart, the Ayurvedic medicine. Now, that's only one of the tragic stories about my brother getting his arm amputated. There are lots of more tragic stories about how this Ayurvedic medicine literally kill their patients because they think it's bad luck. In 19th century, people had a disease called the disease that wiped out more than half of the entire population of Earth, but they used Ayurvedic medicine to cure it. And they believed that bad spirits and vampires existed in the society and made people sick. Now, do you believe in those? I would say I would definitely not. So, in a nutshell, I would like to conclude that Western medicine is by far the best medication system in the world due to its reliability, effectiveness, and what's not. Thank you.
We're in trouble as it is difficult to choose the winning party. Because I even cannot choose a winning party here. However, now it's time to hand over the stage to our honorable chief guest, Mrs. Shashika Rajabhadran, to comment about today's debate.
Sir and my dear friends of the dashboard, dear parents and dear students, and I must thank you once for inviting me for this occasion to address you all. Actually, I heard you all talked well, both the teams. So normally when we compare Western medicine and Ayurvedic medicine, actually I also select Western medicine because it's quick and actually no favoration, but I will select that. But I know both medicines have unique characteristics, so we can't actually say one of these medicine is better than the other. So if I talk about your performances, then both teams did well and they had a lot of facts. And more than this boy Abhishek, right?
Yeah.
They spoke well and actually without looking at any paper they talked. So I must appreciate that. And Vihanga did well. Sanuka and Mahima, they talked very well. And children, this is the first time you are facing for this debate. So when you are just breaking facts and all, you have to have a lot of confidence with you. Then that will be more important for you all to win. And so I think when you speak, you have to speak louder. Now we did not hear some voices there, so speak louder. Present your facts and try to break the points that opposing team is giving. So there are the things that you will have, and children, this is a good opportunity for you all to improve your skills and all. So keep on doing, participate in a lot of debates, and we will have a good future, right? So thank you very much for inviting me for this occasion, right? Thank you very much.
Thank you, Miss. It's no secret that today's debate wouldn't be successful except for the presence of the judge board. So now I invite our dear Nuan sir to give away the token of the appreciation. Miss Lusmania. Mr. Kevin Rupert.
Today's debate has been nothing sort of extraordinary, with teams showcasing their argumentative styles and critical thinking. Every participant has showcased impressive skills and argumentation in rebuttal.
Now, we are stepping into the most important part of today's debate. Can you guess who is the winning team?
But before that, I'd like to say something. Can you remember that John Smith once said, "Win or lose, you would never regret working hard, making sacrifice, being disciplined, or focusing too much. Success is measured by what we have done to prepare for a competition."
So now, we are going to announce today's winning team. So, the winning team is... Wait, I think it's not the time still.
Aki, don't make them so much curious.
Okay. So, the team selected for the semi-finals is the opposing team led by Master Bodhana Sandhu.
Congratulations to the winning team. Thank you for the thrilling and enlightening the debate. Stay tuned for the next round. Well, our next team will face new challenges and continue to advocate their new coach.
Dear esteemed judges, we are delighted to extend our heartfelt gratitude for your dedication and discernment in guiding our community. Thank you all for your participation.
Last but not least, we will see you again in the semi-finals. Have a good time.